Welcome back to Good Day Sin-Law. Joining us now we have Cabrini Recruiters, Sarah Kirk, and the Department Manager, Jennifer James, and they're here to talk about all the staffing needs that you currently have going on at Cabrini.
Yes, we have needs all over the hospital, in the ER and ICU, some med-surg units. Really the entire hospital is looking for nurses. There is a nationwide nursing shortage.
Okay.
A lot of people don't know about. So it's a wonderful career to choose if anybody's out there, thinking about something in the medical field. And Jennifer's here. She's from our ER. She's been with Cabrini for a long time. She stayed with us for good reasons.
Well, I know, Sarah, as it sounds like there's a lot of needs out there. So you've been busy at work trying to fill those slots.
For sure. I reach out to people, who are current nurses in the community. I reach out to people who are current nurses in the world, in the country, everywhere.
Sure.
We also have very good relationships with the university. Monday we're doing an event with LSU Alexandria with their senior nursing students.
Wonderful.
To recruit them. So we try to be very involved in the community. Chris's Cabrini believes in growing our own, so we want to stay within the community.
Well, Jennifer, you want to talk a little bit about what your needs are?
Well, we do have some needs in the ER. What I would like to say to any young nurses out there, anyone that's looking to make a change, is one thing that makes me very proud to be at Cabrini, and one reason that I stay there is the opportunity for growth. They're very supportive of furthering your education, certifications, and that's very important to keep us right there on the cutting edge of things.
Now, how long have you been with Cabrini?
I've been with Cabrini for 8 years.
Oh, wonderful.
It has been wonderful.
And usually that's what you hear when people come to Cabrini. They continue throughout, so congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, let's talk a little bit more about the recruiting efforts that you have.
Yeah, we do have one thing that's unique about Christus is we have a residency program.
Yes.
At our hospital we have what is called a sim lab, where we have actual dummies that simulate a real person.
Okay.
And a lot of the universities in the area use our sim lab, and we have an education department. But our residency program is very unique. I have students calling me from all over the state. Yesterday I talked to 3 students who are graduating from Monroe, and they have heard that we are one of the only residency programs in the state. And that again drives back to growing our own. We really believe in if we're going to put a new student in the ER or in an ICU, we want them to be prepared. We want them to be prepared so that they're confident in their efforts, so that they can take care of our patients, provide the best patient care. And so we really believe in, and that's one of our strongest points in our recruiting efforts for the younger students who are fresh out of school, that we do want to develop you fully into becoming a nurse, from bookside to bedside nurse.
Bookside to bedside nurse.
Absolutely.
Okay, that sounds good. Give me another key point, selling point whenever you're promoting the staffing at Cabrini.
We were voted best place to work in Sin-Law 2016. We are and I believe we are the best place to work in Central Louisiana, in Alexandria. We are a faith-based organization. We do have a very strong company culture. We're located not only in Alexandria, we have locations in Lake Charles, in Shreveport, all over Alexandria. We also have locations in Texas, in Mexico City, in Chile. All over. We're the 3rd largest not-for-profit hospital organization. So we are you can really grow and develop at Christus.
Wonderful. Sarah, Jennifer, thank y'all so much for being
you.
with us
Thanks
this morning
for
on
having
Good Day
us.
Sin-Law. Please stay tuned. We'll be right back.